In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best archery targets in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The Morrell Yellow Jacket Double Duty Target is a one-of-a-kind product that helps you master your archery skills. It is a large, bagged target that features multiple target options. These include a dartboard game, a deer target, a traditional bullseye, and 9-ball bullseys. The design variety makes target practice sessions more interesting and keeps beginners engaged, which leads to more practice. This particular Morrell Yellow Jacket target will keep beginners and even the most competitive shooters entertained for hours. You can shoot hundreds of arrows at speeds up to 450 FPS into this target without the need for a replacement cover. The patented nucleus center construction of this Morrell Yellow Jacket product withstands the penetration of crossbows, compound bows, and air bows. The bag is capable of stopping the fastest arrows without getting damaged. Once the cover becomes worn out, you can simply replace it without needing to purchase a new target. Moreover, it doesn't matter how deep the arrows penetrate into the bag, they can still be removed quickly and easily. This bag is big, measuring 19 by 19 by 19 inches, and heavy, weighing in at 36 pounds. It does have 2 handles to make carrying easier, but it is not really practical to move it around constantly. Number 4. If you're a whitetail or mule deer hunter, it's never too soon to start prepping for the real-world situations you'll encounter for the upcoming season. And there's no better way to get ready for the hunt than this 3D life-sized deer from Glendale. It's the exact size of a 250-pound live weight buck you'd find in the field. With it, you can dial in your shot all year long, spend time outdoors, and become a better hunter in your backyard. It should last season after season, too, since it has a highly durable polyfusion insert where a deer's vitals are. If an insert ever wears out, simply swap it out for a new one and keep on shooting. Practicing on a lifelike buck is a great way to hone in your shot angles to determine which types of ethical shots you can land consistently. Set this bad buck up and practice from various distances and elevations to set yourself up for success in the coming season. Number 3. The Reinhardt Rhino block is a portable archery target with 6-sided shooting, easy arrow removal, and a good lifespan, even with broadheads. I've shot broadheads from the fastest crossbows, 500 FPS, into the Rhino block and it stopped them with ease. Granted, they were mechanical broadheads with their blades locked. But it was still an impressive feat for any target. I don't regularly use my Rhino block to stop crossbow bolts. It's usually being shot with a variety of broadheads from the compound and recurve bows leading up to and during hunting season. It's also the target I throw into the bed of my truck anytime I'm traveling. I've had my Rhino block for 3 years. It's traveled with me to archery tournaments and deer camps throughout the country, and it's been a valuable tool on those trips. I like that Reinhardt didn't just put a bunch of dots on the Rhino block because, let's be honest, most people will just shoot at the center dot. They instead gave you options. You can shoot at a kill zone, a large center dot with the surrounding ring, or smaller aiming spots on the corners. It's also nice to have a small foam target that's easy to remove arrows from. Everyone hates getting more tired from pulling arrows than shooting them. If you shoot broadhead a lot, there is no target that will stand up to that beating. Broadheads are designed to cut and cause damage. They're great at it, and that's why they're hell on targets. But if you're like most hunters who throws down a few hundred shots with broadheads a year, then the Rhino block will last you a few years. Especially if you rotate your aiming spot. Of all the broadhead targets I've tested, this one self-heals the best and has lasted the longest. Number 2. Reinhardt 18-1 Broadhead target has a unique and specialized structure. It has corners and crooks that resemble a cube, except with more faces. Unlike usual 3D targets, This target comes with 18 faces to practice with. There's a lot on this target to keep you and your family or friends interested. Each face features uniquely styled target circles. However, the paint job is not very high quality. Although the edges look blurry, the high contrast colors offer excellent visibility. You can see the targets clearly from far away. The Reinhardt target features a tough, high-density core. It can handle the fastest speed crossbows, up to 500 FPS. You can shoot field points, fixed broadheads and mechanical broadheads. This huge target also features an advanced self-healing foam block. It can withstand the impact of hundreds of arrows. You can shoot arrows without worrying about the integrity and shape of the block. This broadhead target has a lightweight design with a convenient carrying handle. You can take it to wherever your favorite practice spot may be. However, taking the arrows out may require an arrow puller. The Reinhardt broadhead target is a reliable and long-lasting choice for compound bow and crossbow shooters. It may require an arrow puller for the fastest crossbows, but the unique 18-sided design is worth every penny. Number 1. The Field Logic Block 6-sided target is unlike any other traditional target. It features a versatile 6-sided design that lets you practice all different types of shooting. The bold black print on a brown background ensures good visibility. Even at a long distance, you will always have a clear view of the aiming points. This foam block target combines polyfusion technology with an open layer design. As a result, it uses friction instead of force to stop the arrows from passing through directly. This target stops arrows of all kinds easily. You can shoot broadheads and field tip arrows at any speed. Its durable construction ensures longevity. Plus, the layered internal material makes it easy to remove the arrows without using an excessive amount of force. This is one of the biggest cube targets on the market. Its dimensions are 18 by 18 by 16 inches. This gives you a large shooting surface for practicing various shooting techniques. Despite its size, it is still a portable target. The lightweight build and built-in handle allow easy transport. You can carry it to your favorite practice spot conveniently. The Block 6-sided archery target is one of the best cube targets available. Its large dimensions, longevity, and stopping power make it the perfect option for intensive shooting sessions. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.